Running is often recommended as a great exercise for weight loss, improved mindset, cardiovascular benefits, endurance, and more. But there is a difference between running in the morning and running at other times. I'll cover all the arguments and scientific evidences in this video, so make sure to watch until the end. First, boost energy levels. Running in the morning can increase your energy levels for a few reasons. First, it increases your heart rate. That means your heart works better and delivers more nutrients to your cells. Second, your lungs will help you breathe better, thus giving you a sense of energy and alertness. Research shows that our hearts and lungs are naturally more active during this time. The heart's sinus node has a built-in clock that slows the heart rate as evening approaches. I'll include the details of this study in the description. Then there's the endorphin release. When you exercise, your body releases natural mood-boosting chemicals called endorphins. They help reduce stress and anxiety, giving you a sense of euphoria, also known as runner's high. Better sleep quality and lower stress also contribute to improved energy levels, but I'll talk about those later. For now, be aware that in some cases you might feel very tired after a morning run. If that happens, low blood sugar levels could be the cause. To prevent this, have a carb-rich snack before your morning run, such as a banana, and then eat a breakfast containing carbs and proteins such as oatmeal with cranberries or Greek yogurt with a couple of slices of toast. You will thank me later. Second, improve sleep quality. Running in the morning can help you establish healthy sleep habits by regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Regular physical activity like running can improve sleep quality by reducing insomnia symptoms and other sleep disorders. A morning run can also help regulate your internal body clock, making them easier to fall asleep at night. Getting sunlight in the morning, even on cloudy days, helps maintain high energy levels throughout the day and promotes easier sleeps at night. Specific nerve cells in our eyes respond best to morning light, triggering a cortisol increase that should ideally happen early in the morning to avoid feeling energized at bedtime and sluggish during the day. If you are interested, you can watch a video by Andrew Huberman where he explains more science-backed ways to optimize your sleep. Third, increases productivity. I have previously explained that running in the morning can make you feel happier, more energized, and more rested. This sets a good foundation for increased productivity. Additionally, running in the morning gives a massive sense of accomplishment known as runner's high. Riding that wave of dopamine into your workday can make you feel strong enough to tackle all your tasks, even if your manager is mean to you again. 4. Helps manage weight. Regular exercise, including running, can speed up your metabolism, which is how your body turns food into energy. A faster metabolism can help you burn more calories throughout the day, which can help with managing your weight. A study from 2023 supports this. Physical activity at an early active phase increases the expression of genes involved in the breakdown of adipose tissue, thermogenesis, heat production, and mitochondria in the adipose tissue, indicating a higher metabolic rate. Running in the morning can help you burn more calories, which supports weight management. Additionally, it can reduce your appetite and craving for unhealthy foods, making it easier to make healthier food choices throughout the day. 5. Reduce stress. Running in the morning can be more effective at reducing stress than running at another time of the day for two main reasons. One is that you have fewer distractions. In the morning, there are fewer distractions like work, social events, or technology. This helps you focus on your run and clear your mind. Your morning run is your time, not just another chore to check off your list, and you can establish a routine. Running regularly in the morning can help you develop good habits and set a positive tone for your day. Starting your day with a stress-reducing run can make you feel more energized, empowered, and focused. Exercise in general, no matter the time of the day, can help alleviate stress and anxiety. That's because of all the factors we discussed above: energy, better sleep, dopamine release, and endorphin release. That brings us to the next point. 6. Improves mood. Running in the morning can be more effective at improving mood than running at another time of day. This is because it increases endorphin production, improves sleep quality, and reduces stress. It also provides a sense of accomplishment. After a few weeks or even days of running in the morning, you already feel more empowered, rested, and energetic. Your anxiety is lower. You have more stamina to play with your kids, and you are not falling asleep in front of your TV. Your sexual life is probably improving as well. You are taking care of yourself and your body feels stronger. In addition, you are likely to be friendlier at work. Since your stamina is better, your relationship with your family and friends is likely to be better too. All of these factors have a huge effect on your mood. 7. Increases physical fitness. Morning runs are more effective at improving physical fitness than running at other times of the day for two main reasons. You have a distraction-free environment. This helps you focus on your running without being distracted by outside noise or other things. It can help you run more efficiently and effectively by allowing you to listen to your body and challenge yourself appropriately. And you can push yourself harder. Running in the morning allows you to push yourself harder. You are not exhausted from a long day at work or other activities, so you can run longer and faster and do more sprints. This improves your overall fitness and endurance, supporting weight loss and other health goals. So, will you start running in the morning? These 7 benefits of morning running prove that this practice can greatly improve your body and mind. In my opinion, if it fits into your schedule, you should consider running at midday. However, if it's safe and comfortable for you, starting your day with a 7 a.m. run can significantly enhance your life. What do you think about this? I'm interested to hear your opinion. So please share it in the comments below. Are you still having trouble building muscle? Watch my video 16 muscle building mistakes to overcome obstacles. I've also got you covered with my video Build Massive Forearms for those with skinny arms. Subscribe for more workout tips.